So this is how to do a front flip by Timothy from MyFavorite Ninjas. So the first step is to do a roll. So a front roll. To the side like this over your shoulder. Then you can do a front roll over your head. So you use your hands to keep yourself from landing on your head. And then you need to know how to land on your back when you're jumping with your tongue. So a turn it. Jump off the tongue, and then you turn it. Okay? So practice that. You can do it even just like this. Then, the next step is a front. So once you've done like a couple of rolls already and you're really pretty good at them, then do a front flip. So you do it kind of to the side over your shoulder again, so you don't land on your head. So you go like this. Okay, so that's not the professional front flip. That's like the progression to it. Then once you can do that pretty well, you go over your shoulder. And then you do real front. You go over your head, throw your arms up, and then tuck. You need to tuck like this. Because if you tuck like that, it doesn't work. You get hurt. So that's how you do a front flip. And subscribe for more videos on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, live streams on YouTube, and more tutorials on youtube.com.